presenting a pre-owned 2009 Jeep Commander. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 103,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include appearance package, satellite radio, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and DVD player.